Hey everyone, this is the install video of the blacked out tail lights from Cartrimhome. I did the left side, I'm doing the right side now. I just wanted to give you a heads up, some tips. So first of all, there's a tab here that slides on the side. Make sure you don't break it and be sure to pull it out gently. These two are just pull-outs. It's only one harness that plugs to the OEM harness. You tuck this in, just leave it, tied to the zip tie or whatever, tie wrap, and then tuck it in. I'll show you how. So let's start with what you need. I use this 10 millimeter. I mean, if you have something taller than this, like this much, it would be preferably better, because the screws are tall inside. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm pretty sure most of you have any pliers, so try this out. And you don't need to disconnect the lights, just the main harness, which is this gray one. Leave it out. By the way, that's my wire. I fished my wire in for my 4Runner tail light, third or fourth brake light if you want. And then I use the 10 millimeter just to let you see what I'm talking about. So you see this? It's a long screw, so it doesn't fit if you have a short 10 millimeter ratchet or something. Okay, so I have this 90-degree angle 10 millimeter tool, so I used it this way to open it up. Once it's loose, you can take it off with your hand. It's a bit tough because I can't see, I'm taking the video at the same time. Let me make this easier for me. Okay, so the first one is kind of loose. As I said, once it's loose, you can take it out by your hand and make sure you hold it tight, or else it falls in and then you need a magnet to remove it. So make sure that it doesn't fall. That's it. Now the second one. I know if I had the better tool to work with it, it would be easier, but I just want to do it real quick because I'm excited to install them. Let me give it another try. So that's it. Okay. Struggle is real, guys. I don't like editing my videos because the issues that I hit, I'm pretty sure a lot would be frustrated with the same situation if I didn't have the right tools. I'm trying to work with what I have. Yep, I can go get the 10mm, but as I said, I don't have it. I want to do it quick because I'm excited. So right now, this thing, pull it towards you. So I'm gonna put my camera right there. And I just had rain today. Work your way out left and right. Don't push too much. You're gonna break it. So I'm wiggling it left and right. It's a bit water outside. As I said, it was raining, so my hand is slipping. So on top, I was able to take it out. Now the bottom. And that's it, guys. Take it out. I like to clean before installing the new one. Don't ask me why. I don't see it, but in my head, when I sleep at night, I think it's dirty under my tail light. So, as I mentioned, there's a tab. If you check it, it's right there. Make sure you don't break it. So I'm gonna put it back. I'm using the hole in the bottom. There are 2 holes. And align the tab. You can check it to the right. Align that tab that I told you about, and then push gently until you feel those 2 tabs that clicked and went in. Once you're there, so plug in the harness and put back the 10mm your OEM one. Push and tighten by hand. Second one at the bottom, same thing. Okay, now don't leave this hanging, it's gonna rattle. So what I did is I hooked it up with a zip tie, or these that I got from Amazon. I use this for everything. So I'm gonna go tie up everything. It's also gonna work like a cushion. Nothing fancy. And now it doesn't rattle anymore. Just for the last touch up, tighten these by hand. To the maximum you can. While tightening me, I like to push. Now the bottom one, same thing, just tighten with the other side of the 10mm. Nothing is moving, everything is perfect. So that's it, guys. Now I'm gonna test it out and we'll see how this thing turns on and off. So stay tuned. Okay, so now here you're gonna see a startup. This is a startup when you turn on your lights or when your lights are on and, you know, turn on the ignition. That's the brake. When you brake, that's a left signal, turn signal. That's a right turn signal. That's another brake. If you see doing multiple sequences so that you guys see, that's reverse. See what's lighting up in a sequence. Another reverse. As you see, also my middle 4Runner brake light, fourth brake light, I call it, because I do have 3 already lighting up at the same time. So there you go, guys. That's definitely the most beautiful blacked out smoke tail lights you can see on the market. So that's another startup just for your convenience. And apparently I don't think we can get rid of that sequence at startup, which is a good kind of a touch to it. It's different. I call it different. It has side markers. Actually, it's legal. It's not that tinted, specifically under the sunlight. So I've done a couple of sequences for you guys to be able to see what the lights are. I'm just gonna take another one, a short video in the dark, because it's dark right now. So that's it, guys. There you go. Thumbs up, like my video. Links are in the video. You can purchase with exclusive coupons. Thanks for everything, guys. Thanks for the support. Thank you. See you later. Okay, so the hazards are only the side markers and not the stoplights, the red ones. So it's the orange ones. Pretty neat, guys, no? What do you say? And if you have your parking lights on, those are the parking lights. When you first turn it on, it gives you the startup sequence and then stays this way. There you go. Okay, so these are also some screenshots at night for your convenience. This is the middle tail light. Those are some rear lights, really bright. So guys, please check all the time the description of my videos. Again, thank you for the support. Have a good night.